Hello, my name is Mark Dunn, and I'd like to welcome you to the Elect Now SQL Server 2012 for Developers course. To give you a little bit about my background, I'm a Microsoft Regional Director covering the Southeast United States. I'm also a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional in the area of Visual Basic.net. And for the last 12 years, I've run a local training company based in Atlanta, Georgia, called Dunn Training Incorporated. I'm also a Microsoft Certified Database Administrator, a Solution Developer, and a Certified Trainer. I've been a trainer for the last 20 plus years. To get us started, in this session we're going to cover what client-server systems are. We're next going to look at what relational databases do, as well as what structured query language is all about. In fact, a foreign key. That's understandable and typical. Mainly I know this is a foreign key because of the name. It's the same name as the primary key column in the customer table. And that's a standard thing to do in database design. Alright, now that I see how these two things are related, I might want to go ahead and save my diagram. Come up to the toolbar and click Save Diagram, and let's just name this one Chinook. Once you click OK, it will save, and you can go ahead and close the designer. And notice it doesn't show up yet. You got to get used to this in SQL Server Management Studio. Hit refresh after you've done something, and then you'll see it show up. So now I see the Chinook database diagram, and I can access it anytime I want. These are printable, which is handy as well to have it at your desk when you get ready to write queries. Now, one of the nice features, this must be the only statement in the batch, and that is indeed true. So whenever we're writing scripts, we'll learn more about scripts later as well, certain objects have to have their own batch. There's a keyword called go that we can use, and once you use go, it's sort of the equivalent in a script of hitting the execute button. And that does something called submitting a batch of T-SQL to the database engine. So whenever you see those red squiggles, get in the habit of hovering over it with your mouse and read the error message. Most often, more than not, the error message is going to tell you exactly what you need to do to correct the problem. So now we should be able to create our stored procedure. I'll go ahead and execute this, and let's check out calling it now. We do that by using a keyword called exec, and I'm going to say exec get customer list.